0-100 hours nil 20. Hook, you might disagree with where we rank Tesla today. Tesla leads the board with a 47.7 alpha score despite falling 17.81% this week, while Apple ranks last at 31.9 after gaining 3.53% today. This ranking measures opportunity, momentum, and risk, not simply which chart looks strongest. 0-20 nil 50. Alpha Market Pulse. The market regime is neutral with 50% confidence. SPY closed at $738.93, up 0.10%, while the Visa IX finished at 18.58. QQQ and IWM levels were not included in today's market feed, so we will not fabricate those prints. SPY lost the $739.51 to $740.80 support cluster, but remains just above its 50-day EMA at $738.23. That is the immediate line separating stabilization from further weakness. A reclaim of $744.34 and $744.92 would improve the short-term trend. Resistance begins at $750.02, below $738.23. The regime shifts toward risk-off. Above $744.92, it improves toward risk-on. For now, value is leading and the correct classification remains neutral. 0-5110. Top 10 overview. Here is today's countdown from the lowest alpha score to the highest. Number 10, Apple, 31.9, up 3.53%. Number 9, Amazon, 33.4, down 0.66%. Number 8, Palantir, 34.6, down 0.36%. Number 7, Microsoft, 35.3, up 0.03%. Number 6, AMD, 36.1, down 3.29%. Number 5, SPY, 36.6, up 0.10%. Number 4, Meta Platforms, 39.1, down 1.80%. Number 3, Google, 40.2, up 0.24%. Number 2, NVDA, 41.0, down 0.92%. And number 1, Tesla, 47.7, down 2.08%, 110-155. Number 10, Apple. Apple has a 31.9 alpha score and a higher risk classification. Apple closed at $333.02, up 3.53%, and is also trending on semiconductor stock twits. The bullish structure is clear. Prices above the $325.279 day EMA, the $317.1721 day EMA, and the $305.1450 day EMA. However, RSI is elevated at 67.70, relative volume is only 0.74, and price is testing $334.99 resistance after gaining 21.03% over 20 sessions. The level to watch is $334.99. A confirmed close above it opens $340. Failure that puts $325.27 back in play. Do not chase an extended breakout on semiconductor below average volume. 155.240. Number 9, Amazon. Amazon scores 33.4 and carries a high-risk classification. Amazon closed at $232.11, down 0.66%, with RSI at 37.26. Price is below its $234.40 VWAP and below every major short-term EMA, including the 9-day EMA at $242.04 and the 50-day EMA at $245.34. The former support cluster from $238.25 to $243.80 is now overhead resistance. Bulls need a reclaim of $234.40 first, followed by $238.25. Below $230, the next psychological level is $225. Relative volume is only 0.65, so the current decline lacks capitulation volume. That reduces the quality of an immediate reversal attempt. 243.25. Number 8, Palantir. Palantir has a 34.6 alpha score and a higher risk classification. Palantir closed at $122.92, down 0.36%, and is sitting beside $122.64 support. RSI is 35.65, but relative volume is only 0.53. That volume contraction means sellers are not accelerating, although buyers have not taken control either. The chart remains bearish below the $127.899 EMA and $128.6721 EMA. Holding $122.64 creates room for a rebound toward $127.89. A close below $122.64 exposes $106.37. The actionable signal is a reclaim of $124.81 with expanding volume. Without that confirmation, this remains a falling chart rather than a validated reversal. 325.410. Number 7. Microsoft scores 35.3 and is classified higher risk. Microsoft finished at $381.70, up 0.03%, with RSI at 46.60. Price is near $378.65 support but remains below the $389.039 day EMA, the $394.5550 day EMA, and $400.85 VWAP. The level to defend is $378.65. Holding it supports a tactical rebound toward $389.03, followed by $395.57. A break below $378.65 brings $373.35 into focus. Relative volume is just 0.67, so confirmation requires stronger participation. The setup improves only above $389.43, where Microsoft would reclaim both short-term moving averages 410-455. Number 6. NVDA Meters D has a 36.1 alpha score and a high-risk classification. Shares fell 3.29% to $521.95, but remain up 5.28% over 5 sessions. The longer structure is still constructive above the $490.50 day EMA, while the short-term signal has weakened below the $529.919 day EMA. The first level to watch is $526.62, followed by $529.91. Reclaiming both would target $550.88. On semiconductor, the downside, $498.15 and $495.35 form the primary support zone. The momentum reversal signal and RSI of 44.08 argue for patience. Buyers need to prove control above $530 before this becomes a high-quality continuation trade. 455.540. Number 5. SPY scores 36.6 and carries a high-risk classification within today's model. The ETF closed at $738.93, up 0.10%, with RSI at 39.09 and relative volume at 0.87. Price remains above the broader $698.70 VWAP measurement, but the short-term trend is under pressure below the 9-day and 21-day EMAs. The $738.2350 day EMA is the key support for Monday. Below it, sellers can press toward $735 and $730. A reclaim of the failed $739.51 to $740.80 cluster would be the first positive signal. The stronger confirmation level is $744.92. Above that, the next target is $750.02, 546.30. Number 4. Meta Platforms has a 39.1 alpha score and a higher risk classification. Meta Platforms closed at $595.19, down 1.80%, and has declined 7.87% over 5 sessions. Price is below $623.30 VWAP and below all 3 short-term EMAs, even though those EMAs remain stacked in a longer-term bullish alignment. The immediate resistance is $605.81. Reclaiming that level creates a path toward the $614.5350 day EMA and then $623.30. The downside level is $577.07. Relative volume is only 0.58, producing a volume contraction signal rather than panic selling. Meta Platforms becomes more attractive above $605.81, below $577.07. The technical damage expands. 637.25. Number 3. Google Alphabet ranks third with a 40.2 alpha score and a higher risk classification. Google closed at $319.09, up 0.24%, but remains down 7.81% over 5 sessions and 6.75% over 20 sessions. RSI is deeply oversold at 26.36, while price is below $337.88 VWAP and every tracked EMA. This score reflects reversal potential combined with extreme downside risk. The catalyst is technical, an oversold reading, a breakdown signal, and relative volume recovering to 0.91. There is no fresh fundamental catalyst in today's feed. For a reversal setup, the entry is a move above $322 with confirmation above $325. The stop is $312, creating $10 of risk from the initial entry. The first target is $337.88, offering $15.88 of potential reward, or approximately 1.6 to 1. The second target is $341.12. If Google cannot hold $318, stand aside because the breakdown remains active. 725-820. Number 2. NVDA ranks second with a 41.0 alpha score in a higher risk classification. NVIDIA closed at $206.84, down 0.92%, but remains above $196.17 VWAP and above the $205.83 and $205.06 moving average cluster. It is another major StockTwits trending ticker today. Unlike most names on semiconductor this list, NVIDIA still has a bullish EMA structure and an active breakout signal. RSI at 59.62 is constructive without being overbought. The weakness is participation, relative volume is only 0.84, and the 9-day EMA at $207.13 is acting as immediate resistance. The entry is $207.25 after price reclaims the 9-day EMA. The stop is $203.08, risking $4.17 per share. The first target is $212.71 and the second is $213.81. That second target offers $6.56 of upside, or roughly 1.6 to 1. A close below $203.08 invalidates the setup and shifts attention to $197.97, 829.15. Number 1. Tesla takes the top position with a 47.7 alpha score and a high-risk classification. Tesla closed at $313.03, down 2.08%, after losing 17.81% in 5 sessions and 16.55% over 20 sessions. RSI has collapsed to 15.72, relative volume is elevated at 1.40, and Tesla is trending heavily on semiconductor StockTwits. This is not the strongest chart. It is the highest opportunity volatility setup. Tesla is below $396.31 VWAP, below every major EMA, and carrying both bearish EMA and breakdown signals. Its elevated score comes from the combination of extreme oversold momentum, increased participation, and unusually large reversal potential. The safer entry is not at the current price. The entry is a reclaim of $320. The stop is $307, creating $13 of risk. The first target is $340, offering $20 of reward, or 1.5 to 1. The stretch target is the 9-day EMA at $360.02, offering more than 3 to 1. Below $307, avoid a long setup because price discovery can continue. 915-950. Alpha pick of the day. The alpha pick of the day is Tesla with a 47.7 alpha score and a high-risk classification. The reason is asymmetric reversal potential, not bullish trend quality. RSI at 15.72 is extreme, volume is running at 1.40 times normal, and the weekly decline has created a wide trading range. The key level is $320, above $320, the setup targets $340 and then $360.02. Below $307, the setup is invalid. This is a confirmation trade, not an invitation to catch a falling knife. Position size should be smaller than normal because Tesla's risk subscore is 100. 950-1015. Alpha watchlist because today is Friday. Tomorrow's actionable watchlist is for Monday's session. First, Tesla at $320 for an oversold reversal. Second, NVIDIA at $207.25 for continuation toward $212.71. Third, Google at $322 for stabilization after its breakdown. For SPY, the key level is $738.23. Holding that 50-day EMA preserves the neutral regime. Losing it moves the market closer to risk-off. A reclaim of $744.92 would restore short-term bullish momentum. 1015-1030. CDA, which stock are you watching? Drop the ticker below and subscribe. Join our Discord for daily levels, live trade ideas, and community, link in the description. Trade smart, manage risk, compound wealth.